Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view media and files on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp Business. Now scroll down and tap on person's account whose media and files you want to visit or view. So I'm tapping here. Then tap on person's profile name, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then you can see the option of media links and docs. So tap on it. Then here no media is found, so tap on documents. Documents is not found, and tap on links. So here like this you can view anything you want, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.